I chose an elephant for my carving because besides being cute and easy to work with, it reflects a part of me. First, we are both big fellas. More importantly, elephant shows profound empathy and compassion, forming strong bonds within their social group. Similarly to my ability of being close to every person I met, especially with my friends and families. In addition, they mourn their dead, comfort each other in times of distress. This emotional depth is just like how it mirrors my sensitive and empathic personality. Moreover, elephants possess exceptional memory. They remember locations, individuals, and past experiences with remarkable accuracy. This long-term memory reflects my personality trait of detailed orientation. And then elephants also continue to learn and adapt throughout their long lives. This is similar to my capacity for lifelong learning and personal growth.